Look what came in the mail today. It's here. So I'm in California right now, and we've been in quarantine for about 3 weeks to 4 weeks, something like that. And I ordered this like on the second week. So it took forever to finally get here, but it's finally here. Let's do it. Am I retarded? Oh, guess I am. Okay, here's the big reveal. You ready? Oh, that is sexy. Here's a little place where it came from. This came from Brookfield, Wisconsin. So that could be a reason why it took forever to get here. And here we go. Oh. Look at this. Oh. Brand new Marshall 50-watt head. Isn't this nice? I gotta do stuff with all this trash. I'll put it here for now. Just double check and see if anything else is in the box, which nothing is. Just this little thing. This, I guess, would be like the power cable plus speaker cables, maybe. Yep, looks like we got a speaker cable and foot switch, which engages the boost and the effects loop. So that's what that looks like. And looks like we have our user's manual. Okay, so this is really nice. What am I going to do with this? This little baby is going to go into that thing right there. If not that, I have a couple like PA speakers loaded with Celestion 30 watts, which might put this through as well, which that Randall thing usually goes into. I'll get this all set up and then I'll come back and do some tone demos. How about it?